Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to update the card or payments option used for your Runna subscription, you will need to change it through the app store you used to subscribe. Runna subscriptions are managed by Apple or Google, not directly inside the app. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to change your payments method in Runna in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, changing your payments method allows you to use a new credit or debit card, switch to another payments option, prevent subscription interruptions, keep your plan active. So your new payments method will be used as the next billing cycle. Okay, so first thing, change payments method on iPhone. So this is related to App Store. So open iPhone settings. Okay, from here. Okay, open tap your Apple ID. This opens your account settings. Okay, so tap payments and shipping. Enter your Apple ID password if prompted, okay, or Face ID, so you will see your current payments methods. Okay, so tap add payments method. Okay, enter your new card or payments details. Tap done. You can also remove old cards if needed. So that's for the Android. As for iPhone, I mean, so as for the Android, it's the same almost. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.